right? Because what's the zone do? It tries to overload the box. The box is meant to be taken on him. The ball on that side, that coach is telling all 5 guys on this side overload. Pressure on the ball so you can't throw a hard skip pass. Very, very crucial. Second thing that's important is dribble penetration. Okay? Being strong with it, being efficient with it, and then making the jump stop your best friend. So this is what's going to happen in this one. You're going to take the ball right here, Jerry's going to drop right in the middle of the paint, right about there. You're going to have to drive into here with 2 dribbles, and you're going to come to the jump stop right in front of Jalen, and you're going to kick it to that guy right there. He's got his hands up, talking to the ball. As soon as you get it, you're going to 1 more to him. You're going to take it, your eyes are going to peek the hell out of the rim, because you might be open. You're going to penetrate it right at Jalen, and you're going to pitch that to the corner, and you're down 1 more. You're catching it, boom. You're right in the gap, you're back to Jalen, you're kicking it to the corner. That makes sense? So you're attacking these elbows. Attacking these elbows. Ready? Go. One more. Jordan, right there. Go all the way to Jordan. All the way to him. You guys keep going.
Chest pass, Michael.